Okay. Now, we are going to introduce Mr. Mackie Man to these ducks. Okay, stay here, guys. No, you're not. Stay here. Come on.
They must be hungry.
Probably. Mackie, look.
They won't eat a sucker. No. There's babies there, right?
Youngers. Juveniles. And that's my bird dog. Yeah, great bird dog. We should have brought bread. We should have brought bread. No, just go.
I think they're hungry. Come on, guys. Will they eat apples?
No, they won't. They won't even eat a sucker.
Well, no.
Mac.
That was the big one.
Hi, guys.
There we go. There we go. No. No. He showed an interest for a moment and then he's like, nah. Are they going to follow us? Mom, they're following us.
Yeah, because we're doing the duck